Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
Park on level ground, set the parking brake, shut off the engine, and allow the intake to cool for 10 minutes before you start. Gather a 10 mm socket with ratchet, a flathead screwdriver, gloves, a shop rag, and the correct replacement air filter for a 2018 Honda CRV. Work in a well-lit area and use a small tray to hold fasteners so you don't lose clips, bolts, or screws during the job. Locate the plastic airbox assembly on the passenger side of the engine bay. It is secured by a series of clips and two 10 mm bolts near the intake hose. Use the 10 mm socket to loosen the bolts. Carefully unclip the plastic clips with a flathead screwdriver if needed, and lift the top of the airbox straight up to expose the filter without prying the housing apart. Inspect and vacuum the airbox cavity with a soft brush or rag to remove leaves and debris before you install the new filter. Place the new filter into the lower airbox with the rubber sealing edge fully seated and the airflow arrow pointing toward the throttle body. Reseat the airbox cover, reattach all clips, and reinstall the two 10 mm bolts. Tighten bolts snugly without over-torquing to avoid warping the plastic. Replace the engine air filter every 30,000 miles or 12 months under normal driving, then start the engine. Listen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.